Good morning, this is day 5 of our German road trip across all the theme parks. So we are here today at Plopsaland Deutschland, or Plopsaland Germany as you might call it. And yeah, this is our second Plopsaland park to visit. So yeah, this is formerly called Holiday Park. So we are here today, a few days after the new coaster opening of 100% Wolf. So we'll be getting on that. We've also got Expedition GeForce as well to look forward to. But yeah, we've got good expectations for today. We've been to Plopsaland, Belgium quite a few times now, so we're kind of hoping it's kind of the same kind of general vibe, and it'll be an all-round good day out. So yeah.
And the sun is shining, which is always good.
Yeah, the sunglasses are all on today. It's quite warm. So yeah. Let's go inside. We get a photo with a Smurf and some wolf kind of guy. There we go. So there's an Easter egg hunt. You read us up yesterday, didn't you?
Yeah.
So how many Easter eggs are there? What can you tell us about it?
So, I know there's 99,999 eggs hidden here, all for the children to find. And there's one golden egg, and if you find the golden egg, you can win lifetime entry to Plopsaland Deutschland.
Oh wow, that's a good prize, isn't it?
It's a good prize.
So are the eggs we're looking for chocolate?
They're chocolate eggs, yes.
Okay, hopefully they're not all melted. It's everywhere.
I think they did it in there.
There's not 99,000 eggs in there, is there?
No, throughout the 2-week period.
Square, we got Dunkin' Donuts. We like a Dunkin' Donut, don't we?
Yeah.
All sorts here. It is like nicely themed. I really like it. Yeah. Plops are indoor there as well. So you find like we've got a cool corkscrew at the entrance here. Painted yellow. So why Alton Towers did it, yellow. So now we're going to do our first road day, 100% Wolf. Very excited for this one. We just got off 100% wool. That's a really good family coaster, that, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's like a really good layout. It's really smooth. The seats are comfortable.
It's not rough.
It's not rough in the slightest, is it? Really?
No, it's a really nice coaster.
It's quite a good length as well.
Yeah.
Lots of elements there, so yeah. Glad we got to go on our fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Had that one. Yeah.
William, did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it's a really good family coaster. If you get something like that at towns, not necessarily in CBeebies land, but just elsewhere in the park, because yes, it is a park for both audiences, but I think we don't have enough for kids besides CBeebies land. So like when they're about 6 years old, maybe 8 years old, so they're not tall enough for like 1.4, but they need to.
I don't think the height restriction's very high, is it? For that. Like, there's a lot of little kids on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great coaster.
So yeah, we're going to try and get on another coaster nearby. So we're going to go on Sky Scream now. So this is made by Premier Rides. I don't think we've ever been on a Premier Rides coaster before. And this is called the Skyrocket 2. So yeah, it's been here about 10 years already. So it's an extreme roller coaster.
I kicked my arm.
Whoa!
That was good.
Whoa!
Okay, so how was that, guys?
That was crazy and intense.
That was more intense than I thought it would be.
How
So
about
you start off launching out the station backwards, and you speed up again, and go through the station again to get more speed.
That's
And yeah.
crazy. It's bonkers. Like at one point, I was coming out of the seat. I was like, I don't know what I'm meant to do here. What am I meant to hold on to?
Yeah,
It's crazy. It's fun though.
I really enjoyed that.
How about you, William? What do you
It was
think?
very good.
Yeah.
I didn't even realise this was here.
I'd do that again. That's really rideable.
Yeah.
So that means you should go on it, guys.
Not now. We've got to get around. Got to get around the park. haven't we? But definitely come back to that. Would you?
Right, so we go on that disco now. It's called Die Grob Well. So we just done the Wikiland disco. It's actually quite a decent disco.
Yeah, it was great fun.
Yeah, I just think the theming's pretty good for it, and you got the boat ride near where they got the squirt guns, and they actually have an opportunity to squirt you on the ride, or the disco. So,
Yeah, it's really good. Right.
right, we're going to try and do Expedition GeForce now. They've been closed for the past 3 hours since opening, and we've just seen them test it. So we're going to try and get our coaster cred done and get on it in case it closes again.
So good!
Oh,
That was so good.
roller coaster.
That's better than Silver Star. That's in my top 10.
Really?
I'm probably going to replace Wickerman in my top 10. Wickerman's like 10th for my list. That's probably just swapping it around.
Right guys, just done Expedition GeForce.
That's so good, better than Silver Star.
Is it actually?
Really?
That's in my top 10.
Ah. Oh, this is close.
Oh well,
Hidden gem.
yeah, that first drop was really good,
That
wasn't
was
it?
amazing. The first drop took me by surprise, but I really enjoyed that.
There's so much airtime as well, isn't there?
I love it.
Yeah. Actually, was not expecting that to be any good.
No, it was really good. I was expecting it to be really rough and rattly,
Yeah.
but it wasn't. It was actually quite smooth.
Yeah, on the trains you have a seat belt and a lap bar.
Yeah, it's a bit of a fiddle, isn't it?
Yeah,
but
it was a
once
bit.
you're in, it's fine.
They're only running one train today as well, so
I know.
gonna be some
It's good.
long queue times. This one being the most thrilling coaster they got.
Glad we got it done though.
Glad we got it done. Yeah, it's definitely going to be really good for this park if they get Rides Happiness. But I've not seen anything yet about it, any signs or anything, so if I see them, I'll show you. But it's very much kept under wraps right now. I've seen signs around the park that are celebrating Expedition GeForce, aren't they?
Yeah.
So it's 25 years that they're celebrating. So yeah, a quick look in the Plopsaland shop. See what we got in here.
Das Treffen auf der Bühne im Pfälzerdorf beginnt in 15 Minuten. Bis gleich.
GeForce stuff reduced.
T-shirt.
So these things are really cool. Lucky looping. So they're literally like designed for theme park enthusiasts. So you can store safe items in here. You got like a nice tag on the bottom. And you got print on the back. One more loop, please. They got the same on the jumper. The t-shirts. Should we see if we get lucky? Oh, look at it squared. We survived that.
Yeah, we did.
Right, so we're going to go to Plopsa Indoor because there is an indoor coaster inside this one here, so we're going to try that. Yeah, nice little indoor area of this.
It's not like water. It's like chlorine.
I have got water over there somewhere. So yeah, we got one last coaster to do here at Plopsaland Deutschland. So we're going to do that, tick it off, and we'll look at what the other rides are going to be. So we got a show just starting as well. That's Heidi. Right, we've done all our cases now for today. That's the last one. That's not bad for an indoor kiddie coaster, is it?
Quite nice.
We've got a 2-lap bashful.
3-lap.
No, it's
Yeah, it felt quite cold in there.
It's nice. It's
Yeah.
the, like the lights and like really like fairy light.
That's really good. Right, all the cases done, so we're now going to do like flat rides and
Lunch.
things like that and lunch. So yeah, before we head to Legoland. So what are we going to do?
Expedition again.
Expedition, we'll do that later.
Let's do some rides in here and like one more ride and we'll have lunch.
Oh, you like the look of this one.
Yeah, I want
These
to do that
flying
one.
fairies, yeah. They look good. So now we're going to go on DinoSplash. Nice little river ride down there.
Oh, you saw a little splash.
Hold on, Will. Oh my god, my sides are wet. Why not be right by the door?
I almost fell off.
Remain seated. Please remain seated.
Please remain seated. It says there actually.
Please remain seated.
Please.
Didn't really notice many dinos. They should call it Spot the Dino. Not Dino Chase. So the next ride near us is Smurf related. So we're going to do that. So Die Schlumpf Adventure is at the Smurf's Adventure. So it's going to be an indoor adventure course or something.
Das ist großartig. Was sind hier von?
Will, how's that for a dark ride?
I think it was pretty good. It didn't make sense, but obviously we're English.
If you don't know Spurs, there's no like language in it, is there?
No, I thought it was good.
Yeah. So that was the Smurf's Adventure. So yeah, we've got a bit of time to do something else. But a massive drop tower.
No, I don't want to do that. I want to do Expedition GeForce.
Again. Right, we're going to wrap up our day here at Plopsaland Deutschland.
It's been a great day today.
Yeah, we've got around the park quite fast, haven't we?
Yeah, we've done loads.
Today. It's been a really chilled out day, not too long queues, and yeah, the ride availability has been pretty good. I think we only had to wait for Expedition GeForce until the afternoon, which we got to go on eventually. So I think we like that one, don't we?
We do, yes.
What about you, Will?
What?
What's your favourite ride today?
Expedition GeForce.
Expedition GeForce. Okay. So yeah, we are going to wrap it up here. Yeah, thanks for watching the vlog, and see you in the next one.
Thank you, bye bye.